friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making eggless banana walnut cake. For that I am taking a blender in which I shall chop in 3 ripe bananas. To this I add half cup sugar, 2/3 cup oil, half teaspoon vanilla essence. We blend the whole mixture finely. Now it's blended finely, we keep it aside. Now I've taken a bowl and I'm putting this wet mixture from the blender into this bowl. I take a sieve and I'm putting 1.5 cup of maida, one teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. We sieve the whole mixture. Now I keep this dry mixture aside. Now I take the dry mixture and put in little by little and we mix and fold the mixture. The batter is ready. Sometimes the batter becomes thick, so we can put a little bit of milk to get the consistency we want. It should be a little flowing consistency. Now I keep this aside. Now I take a 8-inch baking tin. We shall grease this. Grease the sides as well. We can either use a parchment paper, or if we don't have that, we can just sprinkle in a little bit of maida and dust it off. So our tin is ready for baking. Now I pour in the batter. Now we sprinkle in a handful of chocochips and chopped walnuts. Tap it a bit like this. Tap this to release the air bubbles. And I give it a slight press. Now we heat it in an oven at 160 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. Now our banana walnut cake is ready. We'll let it cool for 10 minutes and then we will take it out. So our banana walnut cake is ready. I've cut a piece to show you.